Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine, where I will be improving my typing and coding expertise. And we will doing Spring tutorial now. So let's start with the typing. And I don't need this. Okay, Scala, why not? Let's get into it. I will start timer. Where's my timer? Here is my timer. And the other timer is here. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so now we can start. All right, what is the result? 2%? Oh, very nice, very nice. And we are out of the time. So, okay, so I will close this, stop this timer. We'll go to our project. And we have Hello World example chapter. Okay. Okay, and we have Hello World example, and we can start the timer. So here we go. So what do we do here? We created the Hello Spring thing. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Takes forever. This is the top. No. This is the top, I think. Yep. On. Bye. Okay. First step is to create a simple Java project using Eclipse IDE. So we did create that. It's the Hello Spring, and I had some problems with it if I remember correctly. Once a project is created successfully, you will have the following content in your project explorer. There's source and there's some Java stuff. Looks like. Hmm. I did not open anything. That sounds unlikely. Source. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that's the only thing I have in here right now. This is okay. We have something in here. Missing git ignore. Here's git ignore. Okay, maybe I can do the command, then it will stop playing. Assembly cancel. Okay. And here we have like some libraries. JDK. Okay, so I have JDK in here. Okay. Once your project is created successfully, you will have the following content. So maybe we do. Step 2, add required libraries. So we have AOP, aspects, and others. Second step, let us add Spring Framework and command logging API libraries in our project. To do this, right-click on your project name, Hello Spring, and then follow the option available in the context. Build path, configure build path. Now use external jars button available in libraries. Tap to add the following jars from Spring Framework and Common Logic installation directories. We'll do that, I guess. Scratch files, no. So what about no? Okay. Project structure. New. from Maven. Download to Hello Spring lib. Yeah, sure, why not? And we will add logging, search. Logger and JUnit. Found nothing. So maybe logger. Search. Wallet coordinate. What? Okay, so we have few things in here. Wing, some logger, it's like commons logging. It might be something odd. Commons, search. Found, many, showing, many. I don't see any. Okay, so commons. Should start with the commons. Let's come. Look at this. Okay, source file as well, maybe. Previous page, there might be the install of things. JDK. Common Apache logging. Okay, so that one I might have somewhere. So commons login 111 or something else. And I think I did download it. Oh, let's think. What's happening? Here we go. No, it's in dev, I believe. And I did put it in. Did I download it anywhere? Background segment, Apache Maven. Maybe I can download it. So we will have a look in here. Install Apache. Come on, log in from here. Hosting, binaries, source. Which one do I want? Miroslav Brada. Huh. Sounds like a Czech name. libraries, dev, save. Yeah, extract. cdev cause yeah, there. Okay, now let's see. It's here. Cool. So now I can include this guy. So we will put add I don't know, Java. And we will go to dev and it was C. Commands overload. Here we go. And I think it was this guy. Will be added to select this. Okay. So we have that. And then we want. Okay, we did download this. We have the environment. Set up Spring Framework libraries. Download the latest version of Spring Framework binaries from here. Okay, I guess we can do that. Five to three. And we want schema, no, document, no, maybe this one. And we will save it. And we will be saving it for a while. And go to next. Okay, it's done. And we'll extract it. And here, yeah, why not? And just check if we have it here. It should be Spring Framework. Here we go. So we have that, and step 2, add required libraries. Logging AOP aspects, bean context. Wow. Okay, but I think we could add it from here as well. If I say from Maven, then I could find AOP. Probably. Found nothing. Okay, so maybe we cannot. So we will Java do, and then we don't want Spring. We want the libraries, which are Spring Framework and libs, and we want what? AOP, and that is AOP release. This guy, yeah, that guy. Okay. Spring AOP release. AOP aspects. Can I select more? Spring libs aspects. Aspect beans context. Aspect beans context. I'll probably need all of them. Almost. Context support, car. Context support. Ah, indexer is not there. Context support, core. Expression instruments, core. Expression instrument. Instrument Tomcat. Huh, I don't have instrument Tomcat. That might be a problem. Instrument Tomcat. I don't have instrument Tomcat. JDBC JMS. JDBC JMS. Messaging ORXM. Messaging OXM. Test 2. Okay. Test TX Web. Web MVC. 2 of them. Web MVC. I don't have the other one, the portlet and website. Okay. Yes, this one. Okay, so now we have. Okay, interesting. There's a bunch of them. Can I move this to here? Not like this, at least. I say apply and okay. Now what? We added most of them. Some of them might don't have. Now let's us create actual source files under the Hello Spring project. First we need to create a package called com tutorials point. We can do that. We will create it in here. Package tutorials point. Cool. To do this, I did. Now we create hello world and main app. Okay, so we'll create a Java class hello world, and then we want the main app. It was right. Class main app class. Okay. Now in hello world we have private strings, setters and getters. Okay. And will be private string message, and I'm doing it in the wrong place, so I will go to the hello world. Now, comma, semicolon. Getters and setters. So getter and set. Oh crap. Getter setter, yeah, for that one, and that will be here. It will be your message is excuse me, something like that. Your message. Yeah. Your message, and that we have, and let's just print on. That is get message, huh? Oh, oh, crap. Poo poo. I did a poo poo. Okay, we will not return, we will print it out. Your message. Okay. Public get message is void. Okay. Beautiful. Then in the main app, we will have class path XML application context. Oh, wow, we are learning from ground up. Okay. So we go to the main app, and here we will say there will be public static void main. And here we will have the class path XML application context. Class new class path XML application context. Yep. Like so. And they named it differently, right? That just context. And they can say switch the application. It is application context, and this is class path XML application context. Interesting. And we can do that. And this will be just application context. Okay. Now get bean hello world. Context get. Okay. Context dot get. Ah, it's context just, I see. So we are getting it from there. Context get bean, and that was hello world, I think. Hello world. And this we will cast it to hello world. Yep. And all of that we will extract a variable. Yeah. Mhm. So we are out of the time and we will take it here. This is for, or I can finish this and then step 4 will be next thing what I do. So hello world and then have object. Okay. Get message. Yep. Okay. The first step is to create an application context where we used framework API class path XML application context. This API loads Beans configuration file and eventually, based on the provided API, it takes care of creating and initializing all the objects. It est Beans mentioned in the configuration file. Yeah, but we don't have the configuration file yet, right? I don't think so. The second step is used to get the required bean using getBean method of the created context. This method uses bean ID to return a generic object, which finally can be casted to the actual object. Once you have an object, you can use this object to call any class method. Sure, okay, so this will be the next thing to do. So we go to the MD file and we will edit it. Come on. Here we go. And we will continue in, and this is step 4, configuration file. And this is inside of Spring Hello World example. Hello World. Okay, so maybe it could be like this. Okay, I'll save it. And if I have a look in here, you have those two files. Okay, so we did step 1, 2, and 3. And I will take a note in the MD file because we did not import everything. So that might be source of problems. So I want to be aware of it. And was not able to import all of the libraries. Not all of libs in. That was step 2. example step 2, was it 2? Yeah. Present in latest version of Spring, so they were not added. Cool. So we have that. Da-da-da-da. We know what to continue in next, and we can commit. And we can say hello world example steps 1, 2, and 3 complete. What is the IML thing in here? I did not create it. Okay. Commit. And I'll push it. Oh, I don't have remote, so I might not. This is called Hello Spring thingy. Maybe I will rename it in the future. So we are 7 minutes over the time limit, which means we are done. That is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.